In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your Microsoft Planner tasks directly in your Outlook calendar, making it easier to keep your schedule and to-dos in one place. First, log into your Microsoft 365 account. Once you're in, open the Planner app from your Apps menu. Here, you'll see all the plans you're part of under My Plans. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area. It's where all your tasks live. Next, choose the plan you want to connect with Outlook. Open it and look for the option to add your plan to your Outlook calendar. If it's not immediately visible, check the menu thoroughly. You'll then get a link for the plan. This link is what connects Planner with Outlook. Now, switch over to Outlook and open your calendar. Click on the option to add a new calendar and choose Subscribe from Web. Paste the link from Planner, give your new calendar a name, and if you like, add a color to make it visually distinct. Once you hit Import, your Planner tasks will appear right in your Outlook calendar. The best part? Any updates you make in Planner, like changing task dates or marking them complete, will automatically show up in your Outlook view. This keeps your tasks and schedule perfectly aligned without any extra work. And that's it. Now you can manage your tasks and appointments in one place, making your planning more organized and stress-free. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.